Sharpshooters, yeah. 都是 sharpshooter。I'm not friendly， 少给老子拍马屁，站点干我哈口气，就别是脚底下的雨。I'm not friendly， 我不开车有司机，小屁味还在挑起，大人不忙只剩赢了。你真的以为老子不开枪，空空自成无敌？这片土地需要人开荒，绝不可能会被人服役。I'm not friendly， 随时这段你利弊，撕落你悬浮里，公司卡了你的苦气息。我代表南部里骄傲，所以声音高亢。我力敌人，你最好祷告自己有好下场。这社会到处都是你，从南边闻到秋阳，说到阿手中文说唱，应该给我树尊雕像。该过你这样不对，该过你那样不对，你跟我这么有缘，没有我啥都不会。你当我小弟才会晓得生活有好难，但除了太多。
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Yeah, thanks so much for joining today. The market is obviously just consolidating, right? It's just going sideways, and we want to speak about that. And I am looking at a setup right now for Audi. The reason why I've chosen Audi was I've gone through all the charts, and Audi is the one that is currently in a box where I think we're going to see a bounce, guys. So I'm actually long on Audi on this 4-hour break, looking to target these highs again. Stop loss just below these lows. Yeah, so my leverage for this setup, guys, is going to be 5x leverage, right? The reason why is because of our stop loss percentage is around about 3%. So using a 5x here seems really, really good. Yeah, and our target is going to be around about 13% on the to the upside. I just want to show you guys what I'm looking at. So on the daily time frame, you can see that, yeah, just ignore all of this stuff at the top. But on the daily, you can see that we're obviously still in this clear uptrend. 4-hour time frame, yeah, we still looks quite good. You know, we're still respecting these lows. The reason why I jumped into this trade was based on this fair value gap over here. I don't really trade fair value gaps too much, but this is a fair value gap on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, we are seeing a bounce from the zone. We're seeing a bounce from the trend line as well. So we're seeing a push, right? So basically what I'm looking at is this right over here. This is a 4-hour time frame. So basically, if you check over here, we have one touch right over there, another one right over here, another one right over here, and then obviously the one that we currently took the long on. Okay, so basically the strategy for this type of setup is basically just longing at the support, right? What's going on, man? What's going on? Ezekiel James. Okay, nice to see you. Yeah, so guys, we are long on Audi here based on the 4-hour time frame. We obviously closed really, really strong on the 4-hour. Yeah, I'm expecting price to continue to the upside for Audi today. I'm not saying that everything's going to go up. I just like how Audi has been respecting this trend line, and I do think that we are going to see a push today for Audi. So this is the first setup. Obviously, you want to speak about Ethereum, which is the main thing. But I wanted to show you guys in the beginning what trade I'm taking right now. Let's have a look. Let's manage this a little bit better. We'll go over Bitcoin and everything just now. I just want to first go over Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum, we're just gonna quickly take all this drawing away, because what I'm looking at for ETH, you know, it's looking a little bit choppy. If I'm honest, it's looking really, really choppy. And the thing is, you know, Ethereum right now, you know, we obviously had that news that came out yesterday, and yeah, I do think that it is more of a sell than news event. So I do think that is possible. That is the main reason why I did choose that title today. But the thing we have to worry about is this right over here. So Mt. Gox just sent another 37,000 to an unknown address. So that was 2 hours ago. Around about 10, yeah, around about 4 hours ago. So this is a potential for for a move like this. This is massive, guys. $2.4 billion worth has been moved, which basically means that Telegram group. Yeah, sure. What's your Telegram name? Okay, so just send it in the chat. I will add you to the group. Yeah, so basically, guys, what I'm saying is this over here is going to bring a lot of selling pressure into the market. So yeah, just be careful of that today. And then also for Ethereum, if you look in the lower time frame, it's just so choppy. There's not much we can do here. The volume is decreasing. Yeah, there's the overall. It's just looking a little bit choppy. So I just want to obviously, before I take a trade for ETH today, I just don't think it's valid to take one right now. But yeah, let's see what happens. Like obviously, if you look on the lower time frames, like the 4 hour, you can see that we obviously in a current zone right now. So between here, this level here is a very strong resistance, right? So it's super strong zone. And the reason why I like this level here is because right over here. So have a look how we broke above support, came down resistance, flipped back into support. So it looks good. Looks really good. So that is going to be the setup for Ethereum. I do think that we're going to bounce from the zone for the day. We're going to have to obviously monitor this. Yeah, because we're obviously making high highs and high lows here. We do have some trend line that is forming right now, something like this. So I'm going to wait for a breakout for each day. It's going to be quite interesting. Okay, so Ethereum waiting for a breakout of this previous level. You can see that it's still looking good. We're holding support, so I'll be looking for a break to the upside around about 3531. That's going to be the setup. So let's see if we can get that today. I think that it's possible. I definitely think that it's possible. Yeah, and if you guys did just join, we did take a long for Audi. And yeah, my target for Audi is quite insane. We're looking to target the highs. Okay, so this is going to be the setup for the day. I do think that it's possible that we could just going to see a lot of upside on most coins today. Because yesterday we had a whole bunch of inflows in the market, right? So we have a look over here. We can see that Pepe up, Runes up, Popcat, Casper, ENA, MKR, Flow. So a couple coins up, but a lot of coins are also down, like FET and TIA. So TIA also just took a beating. I do think that TIA, I don't know about the coin anymore because I was invested in it a while ago and then it just like never really did anything. And there's a lot of hype and stuff about it, and people were like getting involved, but I just didn't really like it, so I got out of it. But yeah, so basically I am long here for Audi. This is the clear setup for me. I do like this. If you guys want to join me on this trade, basically we just took it based on the 4 hour time frame. So I'm expecting price to flip here. So let's see what happens. Remember, the stop loss moved. Let's move that. Stop loss is below this low over here. So we're using a 5x leverage on the setup because we're targeting the highs. Okay, so that's going to be the setup for Audi right now. And then guys, Ethereum, we're looking at a setup for ETH. We just went over that. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go through a couple of coins. If you guys do have any setups you want me to go over, just let me know in the chat. Yeah, let me know. I'm gonna have a look on the chat now. Refer copy chat live stream. Okay. Okay, cool. I'll add you to Telegram now. Thanks, man. Yeah, so basically, we have. Sorry, I didn't mean to show your name there. We have a Telegram group that we do obviously send out signals every day, and we do send out analysis and everything like that. So look at Audi, guys. Audi's pumping right now. That's crazy. That's crazy. That was a good setup. We took it literally in the live stream. That was a beautiful trade. Like, yeah, I mean, look at that 5 minutes. We literally called that beautifully. That's crazy. Honestly, can't get a better setup than that. So yeah, I mean, it was based on the 4 hour, right? The 4 hour time frame created bottom wick, which is a good thing. Remember, guys, when you're looking for longs, you want to see a bottom wick getting created first, which means price needs to come down, grab the liquidity, and then we go up. So that is the first thing. The second thing is, did we close above the trend line? Yes, we did. And did we close above this massive fair value gap? And yes, we did. So we have quite a few things saying that this was a bounce zone. So yeah, we did take a long for Audi. Yeah, this was literally since as we entered at around about 37.27. We're looking to target 39.256, and then eventually we're going to target these highs at the top over here. So yeah, let's see if this can be the bottoming structure for Audi. That's going to be the game plan for this trade. I do think that it's possible. I think that it's possible that we're going to see a rip here for Audi. So we're going to keep an eye on Audi for the next couple of minutes. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. It's absolutely ripping. I don't know where this came from. But yeah, that was a really, really good setup by myself there. That was a good setup. Because the thing is, I was looking at most of the charts there and just nothing was really calling out to me. It was only really Audi, and then Phantom as well. It's kind of looking good as well. That's quite interesting. We went short on Phantom yesterday, and then yeah, but right now it's Phantom. So we had that fake out, and it's looking kind of good here. We're having a break to the upside, so we're gonna watch Phantom as well. We're gonna watch Phantom, but mainly just focusing on the current setup, like Ethereum, right? Yeah, this is it. So ETH's very close here, so close. So we're gonna be looking for longs here for Ethereum as well. So we got 2 minutes here until we do get this candle to close. And if we do close bullish, we're going to take a long for Ethereum. Yeah, so just stay patient here, guys. Stay patient. Stay patient because we might get a setup. If you guys just joined, welcome. We are long for Audi right now. We are long for Audi right now. Yeah, while we're waiting, so while we're waiting for Ethereum, we're just gonna we want to see how the 50-minute candle closes, right? So this is important. If the 50-minute candle closes above here, then we're probably just going to take the long. Because yeah, the 30-minute candle looking good, breaking. Okay, so this is going to be the setup. Because yeah, we are obviously long. We are obviously long on Audi. But yeah, I think Ethereum is going to break out here, guys. So this is going to be interesting. I want to see here on Crypto Bubbles to see maybe on the 15-minute if we can catch maybe a setup here. So Pepe up. What else is up here? What is your Telegram name so that I can tell my friends to join you? Okay, wait. Sure. Yeah, send me a DM, and I'll add you to the group. Okay. Just send me a DM there. So we long on Audi, guys, and then look at this. Okay, so we had a closure here for Ethereum. I'm gonna take this long here for Ethereum as well, guys. I think that we're gonna break out here. Honestly, I think that we're gonna break out here. The 5-minute candle. Wait for this retest over here. We're gonna take a long here for Ethereum. Okay. So one second, yeah, we're gonna take a long. I'm gonna actually get ready. Open up my phone. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna take the setup here for Audi. Sorry, for Ethereum. So basically, we're taking a trade based on the 10. It's 5 minutes. Beautiful. Okay, so we in, yeah, I guess. We in. Stop loss, we're gonna put our stop loss just below this low right over here. We're going for 10x here. I'm just gonna post this on my Telegram groups. Scalp trading. Okay, so take profit is take profit 1 is going to be at this level here, 3489. Okay, so that's going to be your first TP. This is a strong zone, guys. 3488, 3489, 88, and then TP2 is going to be at this level here at 3. Let's put it down. So 3530, 3530. 330, and then your stop loss, guys, is going to be at 3426, 3426. Leverage is up to you, but I'll probably use the 10x. And yeah, let's see. Okay. So we long here, guys. We long on Ethereum. And we are obviously long on ordinals. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. But y'all, let me know what you guys are looking at today. I think that the market is going to pump. Obviously holding support for the day, like Ethereum looks good. So let's see what happens. What else do we have? What else do we have? Yeah, I think this Audi setup was really clean. You know, the 30-minute time frame looks really good. Everything kind of lining up here for Audi. This trade was literally sent in the beginning of the live. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see what happens. But yeah, what are you guys looking at today? What are you guys' thoughts on the market? I think that we're obviously looking quite good here. I'm quite bullish on the day here. I'm quite bullish. You can see that. Yeah, I mean, this is crazy. All these pumping way too hard right now. This trade was beautiful, guys. We literally gave this setup in the beginning of the live stream. And then, yeah, so Ethereum, like still kind of valid to enter, to be honest. Yeah, we're getting good entry prices here though. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful trade, yeah. Let me know you guys' thoughts on the market. I think that we're going to see a little pump here, guys. The market's looking really, really good right now. What are you guys' thoughts? 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 Yo, it's pumping. It's pumping. Bro, it's not plugged in. But I literally like charged my laptop, but I didn't plug it in properly. So all these pumping, guys. All these pumping. Ethereum's pumping. Everything is kind of going our way here today. Like the setup for Audi is just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I think we're gonna moon today. Two 6 841 06 841. Yeah, just send me a DM, my man, and then I'll get up. Yeah, there, guys. I mean, if you guys have just joined, we obviously are long here. Looks good. Looks really, really good for Audi. Yeah, this was a massive move. Like, so we did pump like almost 2% within 10 minutes. Um, so yeah, I think Audi, like at this point, just we will be looking to see if we can come back down to entry here, and then because it's still respecting this high, right? So it's still respecting this low slash high over here. So let's see what happens. Yeah, let's see what happens. I mean, I do think that it's a good setup still. Let's see. And yeah, then also for Ethereum. So we long on Audi. So this trade we took at around about 37.2, which was our entry, 263 to be exact. I do think that it's a good setup. You know, the 15-minute time frame doesn't look too good, to be honest. But I'm expecting the 30-minute candle to close like this. And if we close like this, we are closing above significant levels, because I want to show you guys something. If we draw the fixed range volume profile, so basically from this little dump to this level over here, we had a whole bunch of volume sitting over here, right? And then AA. I'd like to use this to see where the volume's sitting at. Okay, so that's good news. So basically, we closed above the volume profile for that, and that basically what that means, guys, is this session today this was the where the most volume was traded, right? So because we closed above this point, there's an indication that we can just definitely go a little bit higher, and we obviously broke resistance and support over here, which was our lower levels here. So we're just retesting at this point. You can see that this is just a clear retest of the previous low. So I do think that Audi still has a lot of upside for the day, based on like how we're closing. Right, we are closing on the lower time frames quite bullish. So let's see. Let's have a look for Ethereum. Go back to Ethereum as well. Yeah, so we did take a long for Ethereum. But I guess it didn't really break out. But I do think that Ethereum should go bullish today, just based on the structure of the market. Yeah, so mainly just focusing on this trade here for Audi. Obviously, you know, if we do start closing back below this support over here, we're gonna have to monitor that. I do think that we're gonna have to monitor that. The reason why is because this level obviously needs to hold, right? So if we don't hold this level, then I don't think that we're going to continue to the upside. So just monitor it we're going to monitor it within this. But yeah, let's have a look and see if we can get some other setups. Because essentially, guys, this trade, I mean, it's more of a 4-hour long setup, right? It's based on the higher time frame. Our stop loss is so low. To be honest with you, so it's for me, it doesn't even matter. We have a good setup, so I do think that I'm just gonna be holding this for the day. So let's see what happens. I mean, that's the Audi trade. So Audi does look good. What else do we have for the market right now? Let's have a look. We're gonna change this to here we go. Maniki, crazy. ENA, guys. ENA is pumping. So we've missed that whole move. Sats also pumping. INJ has been doing quite well. The thing with INJ though, that's interesting. Did it close above? It closed respecting support. What's happening on the 4 hours? So the 4 hour closed. Oh yeah, that's crazy. That's interesting for INJ, guys. So basically, we came straight back up to this level. I can guarantee you one thing: if we draw this from here to here, it's going to be. So we can come up a little bit higher. Yeah, that's going to be the ultimate short zone for INJ. I'll probably look for massive short at $26. You can see that it's a strong level. It's a strong level. But yeah, I'm kind of just focused on those two trades right now. I don't really have any other setups. I will tell you if I do though. Obviously, Solana breaking out. When was that? That was right now. That's crazy. Okay, yeah, I was looking at Solana as well. So Solana broke out. That's crazy. Solana did break out here, guys. I think that Solana can definitely pump. Solana did break out. Like we're looking for Solana at around about another 6% for the day, definitely. So Solana looks good, guys. Solana kind of looks good. Yeah, like the 4 hour candle obviously closed really bullish. Yeah, Solana's looking really, really good. That's crazy. Okay. I mean, for me to take Solana right now just doesn't really make sense. This breakout was a little bit too strong. So I would need a potential recovery here. So what I'm looking at is I'll probably, let's have a look here. I'll probably wait for a potential pullback. Yeah, let's see if we can, let's see. I'll be looking for long here for Solana if we can come down and retest like 174. But I don't think we're going to see that. I think Solana is kind of rich here, guys. Yeah, I do think that we've missed the setup. Remember, when Solana does pump, it goes crazy. So yeah, let's see. Okay, so Solana, not much. Can't do much there. Let's have a look at Pepe. Pepe breaking out, guys. Pepe is breaking out. That would have been a great setup right over here. Beautiful setup. Uniswap. Uni's been doing nothing. Also, AVAX kind of rebounding here. ETH coming back. So basically, yeah, I was looking at ETH, yes, I think it was yesterday, and I'm kind of liking this, to be honest with you. I'm kind of liking this, and the reason why I'm liking it is because have a look right over here. Boom. Okay. So ETH, guys, although we did break out, we kind of still hold support, right? So basically, what I'm thinking of ETH is taking longs at this level. I was waiting for price. I was actually waiting for this candle to close like this because this is a good setup. You know, on the 4 hour, the 1 hour is starting to come back up. Sorry, excuse me. So yeah, I'm looking at a potential setup here for ETH. Solana just looks really, really good. We saw long on obviously Ethereum here. And then also ordinals, right? So ordinals, we obviously took that long. WorldCoin, I want to have a look at WorldCoin as well, guys. Yeah, so make sure you guys check out the Telegram group because I will be posting setups there as well. I will be posting setups there because of today. I think that we're going to see maybe a potential bounce for some coins, like Tau obviously ripping, EOS, Ton as well looking absolutely fire. A couple coins just starting to move a little bit here, which is good, guys. Which is what we've been waiting for. But yeah, I think that the coin that we chose today was already right for the first setup for the day. I think that was clean. Oh, look at this Floki, guys. Floki broke out. That's crazy. Oh, not yet. Not yet. Very, very close though. So we're almost going to set up here for Floki. So there's a couple of setups I'm waiting for now. It's Floki, ETH, okay, and then obviously we long on Solana. I mean, we long on Ethereum, and we long on a couple other coins. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin. We haven't actually analyzed Bitcoin for the day. So a lot of people have been speaking about BTC, and I want to show you guys what I'm looking at is Bitcoin also looking like it wants to bottom, right? So it's kind of also creating a bottom structure, but still quite bearish. But it's nothing too bad to look at. I do think that people are going to get trapped here. We're obviously bouncing from this level, which is a good thing. Yeah, so for me today, for Bitcoin, I'm going to watch this level closely. Once we start closing bullish above this level, I think that we're going to see a lot of upside for Bitcoin for the day. But yeah, let's see what happens. I think that I'm mainly just focused on a couple of the pairs that we're looking at. So obviously Ethereum, ETH looking absolutely fire for the day. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Okay, so those are going to be the trades. Let's put them both up here, so you guys can monitor them as well. But yeah, we're going to run through. Yeah, look at Floki. Floki's pumping, guys. We're going to take this trade for Floki soon. So Floki can pump hard here. I like to set up a Floki because it's created a bottom structure on the lower time frame as well. We can see that the market has started to shift and break resistance here, which is beautiful. This is what we want to see. So for Floki, I'm gonna be looking for a really good long here, but we're gonna have to obviously close bullish, right? So that's gonna be the main thing. We have to close above this point. Take profit's gonna be at that high, and then your stop loss just below this wick over here. So your risk and reward is gonna be good around about a 1:3. But yeah, looks good. I do like the setup for Floki. We'll see if we can take this as well within the live. Okay, so that's going to be that. So we're just going to focus on the trade that we're currently in. So it's already Floki we're about to jump into now. Very soon. We got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. We're gonna jump into this trade. If you guys did just join, we do have a group where we do post these setups. So make sure you guys do join those. Just send me a DM. My name is on the chat. Let's see. Yeah, Floki's breaking out, guys. So we got 1 minute here. I'll be taking it long soon. I'll be taking it long soon, yeah. Okay, so just be careful. Yeah, we're gonna go long for Floki in probably 43 seconds. Yeah, 43 seconds. We're gonna take a long for Floki. 35 seconds. I like the setup. We're closing above resistance. 15 minutes. Still has time to close. I'll probably wait for the 15. Yeah, but I'm kind of liking this. Yeah, kind of liking this out of here. Remember, we're also long on Audi, guys. We've been long on Audi since like I think we're gonna see a pump here. I've got a good feeling here. I've got a good feeling. I think Audi's gonna rip probably the hardest today. The reason why is because we at support. Bitcoin breaks out. If Bitcoin breaks this high over here, then I do think we're just gonna see a move. We're gonna see a move very, very quickly. So I want to expose myself to some long positions. Which is what I'm doing, which is what I'm telling you guys. This is what my plan is for the day. My plan for the day is obviously taking some longs for Audi. And then we obviously long on Ethereum as well. We've gone over all of these trades. And then Floki. Yeah, we missed that one. That was the setup for Floki. We're waiting for the 5 minutes and then we just forgot about it. My bad. But yeah, it's gonna pump. Beautiful setup here for Audi. Okay. If you guys did miss these setups, you can still look for the Ethereum setup. This is the one that's still valid. Still valid here for Ethereum. Floki, we missed Floki. Maybe not yet though. We still have 3 minutes until the 15 closure. If we can get a bottom wick here, I'll jump into this trade for Floki. So we'll wait for that. Okay. Beautiful setup here. I think, yeah. So we're waiting for Floki, guys. I think Floki is still valid. I like the setup. Yeah, so I'm gonna get ready for this Floki here, guys. Floki longs. I'm gonna take the setup. Stop loss, guys, just below this low. Yeah, let's see what happens. That was beautiful. We got triggered like pretty much instantly there. Beautiful. Okay, so we're in 3 positions here. We're in a Floki long, we're in a Audi long, and then we are in an Ethereum long as well. Okay, so we're in 3 positions here. Yo, Dylan, how you doing, man? Yeah, I'm doing good, thank you. And yourself, Sushant? It's been a while. How's everything going? Sushant. Yeah, message me on Telegram, Sushant. I've got a channel. I can. Yeah, 3 longs. Yeah, 3 longs. Audi, we up quite a bit here. Floki, we just jumped into the Floki one, and Ethereum, we jumped into a little bit earlier. Yeah, I think we're gonna see a little bit upside. But so message me on Telegram. I'll add you to our group, Telegram group. You can get these signals straight away instead of logging onto the live. But yeah, to be honest with you, the Audi setup. I didn't send in the group because it was just too quick. I didn't really have time to send in the group. It was taken live. So yeah, like just send me a DM there on Telegram. add you to the group on that. Yeah, let's see what Audi can do. I think Audi's in a rip today, guys. I've just got that feeling. I've just got that feeling today. Floki, guys, Floki is still valid for a trade here, guys. We're gonna long it, yeah, we're gonna long it, yeah. So its profit for Floki is gonna be at $0.19116, yeah. But the thing is, with this Audi trade, guys, this Audi setup, yeah, it's based on the higher time frame. So it's based on the higher time frame. It's based on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's based on a lot of, especially like this setup here for Floki. Okay, this setup for Floki is more based on the 15. It might be a fake out, but I don't think it is, guys. I think that we're gonna come from this point. You can still enter for the Floki setup. You can still enter this Floki setup, guys. So we have TPs at 0.19116. 0.19116. And then stop loss is going to be at 0.18636. Leverage we're going for. Yeah. Yeah, so those are the trades, guys. Are the trades. I think we're going to punch there. I've just got a feeling we're going to punch there. It's just one of those things. Can't really do anything about it. We're going to take longs there. I mean, we can do something about it. So. So if you're watching the live stream now, so I'll explain it. So basically, guys, how this works is, let's have a look here. So this for the ORB, so this indicator that I've got, right? So basically, it shows you this level here. So this is a 9. So let me just turn the volume down here. So basically, what I'm looking at today, is, so this indicator, this ORB, it basically shows you the 50-minute open and the 50-minute close of the candle, right? So basically, what that means, is essentially once we break below this level here, you can see obviously yesterday we were quite bearish. And then once we broke below this point, we came retested this level and came back down. Same thing over here, retest this level, come back down. So when the ORB opens within the next hour, we're probably going to see buys on to the upside. The second indicator is called the AA, Anchored Volume Profile. And essentially what that is, if you have a look here at my indicators right over on the left, it's called the AAVP. Which one I pick? Yeah, so the AAVP This indicator, guys, it just shows you the volume, the most traded volume. You wanna click on the settings here. You want to keep the auto, the length 14, number of rows, row size, the volume area 70%. So just keep it all the same like that. You should be good. Okay. So those are the two things that I'm using right now. It's mainly just I like this for this because especially when it starts closing above, like if we're consolidating, especially for oil, when we start closing above this point over here, we do see price normally start to move a little bit higher. So yeah, let's see what happens there. I think Audi is probably being the one that's going to do well. Okay, so yeah, we just monitoring the trades that we're currently in right now. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's the Ethereum trade. It broke out. If you look at this, it hasn't really broken out yet, but I do think that I'm anticipating a breakout. So Shant, what did you say? You said, is this Grayscale going to dump ETH today? There's a possibility of them dumping Bitcoin today. So there's a massive possibility of not Grayscale, Mount Gox. Sorry, I'm thinking about Mount Gox. Yeah, Grayscale. Yeah, possibly. Like I said, I do think that is possible, but I think we're going to see a fake out until like New York session. So I'm taking longs to New York, and then probably going to sell a little bit later on during the day. So yeah, that's the strategy for the day. That is definitely the strategy for the day. And yeah, Floki, we still obviously long on Floki. Yeah, it's looking a little bit scary, to be honest with you. But yeah, I'm liking the look of the market. So we are gonna go long today, and then maybe later today we can go short as well. Maybe later today we can go short. But let's see what happens. Okay. Let's see what happens. Floki does look good though. Let's see. Audi, yeah, Audi kind of just waiting. We got long for Audi like a long time ago. And then Bitcoin's breaking out as well, guys. So Bitcoin, we might even go long on here, to be honest with you. So Solana's breaking out, right? So yeah, we did miss this. Waiting for retest of the previous low. So if price can hit 174.59, 59 is the level, right? I'm not saying that it's not going to long run. I'm not saying that it's not going to push up from this point. It does. It looks really bullish there. So yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. Floki, stop loss 18636. TP is at 0.9 0.19116. Yeah, so that's Floki set up. But yeah, not much else, guys. Not much else happening today. I think, yeah, we're going to end the live stream in a couple of minutes here. Like I said, guys, we took a long for Audi. We are long on Floki, and then we're long on Ethereum right now. So let's see what happens. I do appreciate you guys joining today. We'll see you guys a little bit later. And yeah, thanks so much, guys. Cheers. Peace out. Yo.